Yesterday we had done introductions regarding permutation combinations as well as the law of the principle of addition. Not the principle of addition, the principle of multiplication. Okay? Today we'll be looking into some numericals from NCERT. Okay? The moment we do the numericals, make sure we understand the numericals properly. There's not much to write, but lot of things to understand. And if somehow you feel that you're not able to grab the numerical, don't feel bad. You need to ask me again in case you have any problems. Okay? Now can we start off with the class? Yes or no? Chalo. How many 3 digits number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of the digits are allowed? Okay? Repetition of the digits matlab 1 1 1. This is repetition of the digit allowed. Okay? We have made a number 1 1 1. Okay? Let's say 2 2 2 or 2 2 3. Even this is the good afternoon. Even this is repetition case. Okay? And by default, always remember, by default repetitions are not allowed. Okay? In case they have told you in the question that make a 3-digit number from these numbers, so you will consider always this case, repetition not allowed one. Okay? But out here we have to do repetition allowed as well as repetition not allowed. So we'll try to do this question. Now you have to make a 3-digit number. So we have 3 blank spaces. Yes or no? Units place, tens place and hundreds place. So units place में how many numbers we can fill? Yesterday we did a bit of question regarding this. 5, any 5 numbers, because 5 numbers are available out here. And since repetitions are allowed, so none of the digits are consumed. So what we will do next, tens place mein how many numbers can be filled up? 5. And out here 100 place mein again 5. So we'll multiply these things because the condition is over. So 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Therefore 125 numbers can be formed. Okay, did everybody understand why is this 5? Yes or no? This 5 is number of ways, okay, and not a number 5. Clear? Repetition allowed ke liye, not allowed ke liye, what will we have? Again 3 spaces available. This was for allowed and this is for not allowed. Okay? So again we have got, again we have 3 spaces available. So unit space mein how many numbers can be filled up? Available? No. I'm starting from here, 5. Again, okay? I'm starting from here. So any 5 numbers can be filled up. Supposing I fill up 3 out here. So since repetition is not allowed, I will not be able to utilize 3 again, right? So अपने पास अभी available number is how much? 4. तो यहाँ पे 4 numbers can be filled up, any 4 numbers, and let's say we have filled up 1 out here. तो अब कितना number बाकी है? 3. So now condition is over. That is why we'll go on to multiply. कितना हो गया ये? 12, 20 and 60. So 60 numbers can be formed of 3 digits. Clear? Now obviously you'll have to be careful as of how to write in exams. So you'll have to mention these ways. Okay? Either you can do like this. You can make 3 dashes and you can write 3 statements that in units place 5 numbers can be filled up. And since repetition is allowed, the tens place also 5 numbers can be filled up, as well as in the hundreds place also 5 numbers can be filled up. And by multiplication principle, our total number of digits is 125. Is it clear how to write? You don't have to make paragraphs, okay? As the paragraphs has been made out here, you will just draw 3 boxes or 3 lines, and you will mention that units place, tens place, and hundreds place. Okay? You will mention that units place can be filled up in 5 ways. Again you will write tens place can be filled up in 5 ways, and then you will write hundreds place can be filled up in 5 ways. Then by law of multiplication we will say that we have 125 number of ways in which we can make a 3-digit number. Clear? Yes or no? Chalo likh lo ye. Please copy the first one and the second one down. Hurry up. In the same way, I am giving you time, I am pausing the videos. I would expect you all to note it down properly. I hope people have written statements properly. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे विल मूव ऑन. नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. वी हैव टू मेक अ 3 डिजिट इवन नंबर, ठीक है, फॉर्म्ड बाय दिस many digits if the digits can be repeated. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? 3 digit number has to be formed with available digits are 1 2 3 4 5 6, ठीक है, and it should be a even one. So you know, in order to be a even number, this units place has to be even, right? Yes or no? Like 2 2 4 even number, 2 2 6 even number, 5 1 6 even number, right? So we'll first fill up this units place. So we'll write a statement that units place can be filled up in how many ways? How many even numbers are here? Even numbers 1 2 4 and 6, 3 ways, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में we'll have to mention that is 2 4 and 6. Is it clear? So यहाँ पे 3 ways. अब since this digits can be repeated, we have total how many digits out here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits. So I can fill up any 6 numbers out here, yes or no? And again 6 numbers can be filled up, right? So you'll have to mention out here that tens place can be filled up in 6 ways and your 100 place can be filled up in again 6 ways. Clear? तो उसके बाद by principle of multiplication our answer is 36 into 108 ways is our answer. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Please confirm. कॉपी कर लो अच्छे से. कॉपी हो तो बताओ. वी कैन मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. कॉपी हो गया सबका. सेम नंबर सेम क्वेश्चन, ओके. अगर इफ आई चेंज दिस टू इवन वन ना, इफ आई एम चेंजिंग इट टू ऑड तब क्या होगा आंसर? इफ आई एम चेंजिंग द सेम क्वेश्चन टू 3 डिजिट ऑड नंबर, सेम आंसर. वेरी गुड. क्योंकि यहाँ पे अवेलेबल ऑड नंबर्स आर 1 3 एंड 5. तो यहाँ पे अगेन 3 होगा एंड देन 6 एंड 6, ठीक है, ऑड नंबर्स. एंड अगर लास्ट में मैं आई टेल दैट द नंबर्स कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड, यहाँ पे कैन बी रिपीटेड है ना, आई से दैट कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड, तो थिंग्स विल चेंज ड्रास्टिकली, ठीक है. बट दिस विल नॉट चेंज. आउट हियर अगेन विल हैव अ 3, यस और नो. अब उसके बाद लेट्स से आई हैव कंज्यूम्ड 6 इवन नंबर, 6 आई हैव कंज्यूम्ड. हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर लेफ्ट? 5. And now 2 numbers are consumed, then how many numbers are left? 4. So that situation mein this is my answer, 4 into 5 into 3. Everybody understood this thing, yes or no? Sangarsha's internet connection is weak. She's coming in and going out again and again. Now can you move on to the next one? I would expect you all to give a hashtag and then copy down this also. ऑड नंबर लिखो यहाँ पे एंड आउट हियर राइट नॉन रिपीटेड. आई होप पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. यस और नो? प्लीज कंफर्म. कैन वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन? चलो. हाउ मेनी 4 डिजिट्स 4 लेटर कोड्स कैन बी फॉर्म यूजिंग फर्स्ट 10 letters of English alphabet if no letters can be repeated? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? You have to make a 4-letter code from first 10 letters of English alphabet in which no code can be repeated. Same kind of question. Logic is same. It's like making a 4-digit number from 10 available digits, right? So यहाँ पे 10 numbers are available. So first place can be filled up in how many ways? Very good. Since it's not repeated, so I have consumed one one alphabet, right? So since I have consumed one alphabet, how many alphabets are left? 9. अब उसके बाद 2 alphabet I have consumed, then how many alphabet left? अब 3 खा लिया तो और कितना बचा? 7. तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो आप लोग. This is my answer. Did everybody understand this thing? Acha, had this been a non-repeated wala case, then what would be the answer? Yes. अरे 4 लेटर का कोड बनाना है, यूनिट्स प्लेस इसमें नहीं होता. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट प्लेस, दिस इज माई फोर्थ प्लेस. ठीक है. यस, यूनिट्स प्लेस तो राइट ही साइड में होता है. इधर से तो शुरू होता है. ठीक है. बट इधर यू राइट फर्स्ट प्लेस, सेकंड प्लेस, थर्ड प्लेस, फोर्थ प्लेस, बिकॉज दिस इज अ कोड, दिस इज नॉट अ नंबर. ठीक है. अच्छा, द क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड दैट हैड दिस बीन अ नॉन रिपीटिंग वाला केस, व्हाट वुड वी डू? सॉरी, रिपीटिंग वाला केस. सो यहाँ पे 10 होता एंड देन 10 10 10 10 टू द पावर 4 अपना आंसर होता. क्लियर? आगे बढ़े, यस और नो? अब यू कैन डू वन थिंग ना, अगर कॉपी करने में प्रॉब्लम हो ना, आई विल अपलोड द वीडियो, तो वीडियो को 3x में देख के कर देना. ठीक है. एंड यू ऑल्सो सेड 3x में. यूट्यूब में क्या 3x में प्ले होता है? जो भी मैं बोलता हूँ ओके ओके बोल देते तुम लोग. हाउ मेनी हैव प्लेड वीडियोज इन यूट्यूब इन 3x? दिशा? You have played video in YouTube 3x में any time? अच्छा चलो leave. How many 5 digits digit telephone number can be constructed from 0 to 9 if each number starts from 6 and 7 and no digits appear more than once? Did everybody understand? 5 digit का you have to make a telephone number. For number is the telephone number starts from 6 and 7. ठीक है. Available numbers are 0 to 9. So they are asking that how many numbers can be formed, and they have mentioned one condition that no digit is supposed to be repeated. So what do we think? यहाँ पे we are only left with 3 positions ना, yes or no? So third position can be filled up in how many ways? Why 7? 0 से 9 के बीच में how many numbers are there? 10 numbers होता है. So we have consumed already 2 numbers. So we have to fill up how many numbers out here? 8. I hope this is clear to everyone. Disha, you are understanding things, yes or no? Disha's voice has changed. Somebody else is answering in place of Disha. I don't know who. अच्छा, it's you only. तो पता है नो सर किसने बोला? Why you saying no? Oh, अच्छा. यहाँ पे we can fill up 8 numbers. So यहाँ पे how many numbers can we fill up? 7. And then next 6. So by principle of multiplication, what will we have the answer as? 48 into 7. Whatever comes, it comes. I hope people have understood this. Yes or no? Everyone kindly confirm. 336 is our answer. Am I going too fast? Trishama Das, again special appearance. You're coming in and going out. What is, sir? You people are answering monosyllables like yes sir, no sir, yes sir, no sir. I hope people have understood this. No doubts, anyone? Chalo. Can I move on? Question number 5. You tell me now. Question पढ़ो अच्छे से. A coin. I'll tell a name from this lot to tell me the answer. Trishama Das will tell me the answer. No, Trishama Das will say bye bye sir. Rishama, kindly try out question number 5. A coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? You don't know coin, na? One we have head and one we have tails. Yes or no? Swagata got it. See, I recognize people by voices now. तो यहाँ पे we have 2 outcomes. What do we have? Swagata, yes, tell me. अरे वो तो ठीक है, 3 टाइम टॉस किया तो how many total number of outcomes will be there? Very good. अब एक बार टॉस किया तो we might have 2 outcomes, right? First toss we will have 2 outcomes. Second toss also we will have 2 outcomes. Second toss में again we'll have 2 outcomes, which is again head and tails. Third toss में again we'll have 2 outcomes. So अभी condition खत्म हुआ. That is why we will multiply 2 into 2 into 2. Is it clear? Now if I extend the question a bit, if I ask you that write the possible sample spaces, मतलब what will be the outcomes? I need this 8 outcomes. यहाँ पे आया ना 8 outcomes. I need those 8 outcomes. So now look very carefully. I'm writing those outcomes. ठीक है? तो हो सकता है my answer is head, head, head. Do we all agree? Head, head, head मतलब first toss में head आया, second also head, third also head. Possible? Yes or no? Then we might also have head, head, tails. Yes or no? Third बार में head आया. I hope people are understanding this. First बार में head आया, second बार में head आया, and then third बार में tails आया. Clear? Next वाला help me out. हेड टेल हेड, एक बार ये टेल को शिफ्ट कर देता अच्छे से. ओके, सेकंड बार में हेड आ सकता है, टेल्स आ सकता है. यस और नो? उसके बाद फर्स्ट में टेल्स आ सकता है. वेरी गुड. अब हेड टेल टेल भी आ सकता है, 2 टाइम्स टेल. यस और नो? फिर टेल हेड टेल भी आ सकता है. यस और नो? फिर टेल टेल हेड भी आ सकता है. यस और नो? एंड लास्ट में वी कैन हैव ऑल टेल्स. Now can we count how many outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy? 8 outcomes out here, 8 outcomes out here. Anything more? I would expect you all to copy this down. Chapo jaldi, I'm pausing the video. Kindly copy it down and do not even think of taking a screen. Can we move forward? Chalo. Last question I would expect कि everybody gives a shot. Disha, try out question number 6. What happened, Disha? Disha is saying something. Questions पहले समझाओ मेरे को. Explain me the question first. Prerna, I said na Disha should answer. But you were telling the answers so nicely, that is why I did not stop you. But next time I ask the person to answer, only that person answers. ठीक है? We have 2 hands, है ना? 1 hand, 2 hand. There are 5 flags available and you have to signal 2 different flags. तो हो सकता है you can pick up any 5 flags in the left hand, let's say, and any 5 flags in your right hand, any 4 flags in your right hand. So condition is over now. That is what 5 into 4, 20 is our answer. Is it clear to everyone? Simple.